We're starting quadratics, which are parabolas. They're also called parabolas. They're the graphs, which I know you've seen them before, like parabolas. They look like this, concave up or concave down, or say they're skinnier like a tube. It's this. All right, these are parabolas. So this is what we're graphing. This is what we're going to study all semester. Okay? All right, here we go. Your form is y equal a parenthesis x minus h quantity squared plus k. Okay, so if I match it up, this would be the a, this would be the h, and this would be the k, correct?
Yes.
Okay, you're always going to go opposite h, opposite, and you're always going to follow k, meaning what you see visually. Opposite k, opposite h, follow k. I think it sounded weird saying that. Opposite h, follow k. Okay, so my a value is what number? 0.5. Everybody okay? Okay. Is that number positive or negative? Positive. So you could circle it, or you could put a positive, or some people put the little positive symbol. Some of you can even do this little parabola up, right? It's concave up. Okay. Now, based off the positivity, your a value tells you the concavity or the orientation. Is it concave up or is it concave down? If it's positive, right, it's up. And so it's concave up, meaning when I graph it, it's going to be upward, like a U, like a smiley face. Concave down, or when A is negative, it's like a rainbow, a sad face.
What is the concave?
Concavity is the orientation. So the graph of parabola, a quadratic, looks like this. So the concavity is it up, is it down, is it right, or it's left? So concavity, like, if you study like optometry or physics, concavity is that bend. It's not a line.
Okay.
It's the curve. Okay. So now, max min point, max min value. All right, look. If it's concave up, you guys we'll get to the vertex. But if it's concave, oh, well, let me first do HK. All right, what's the value of H? Looking here. If it's opposite H, what number is H going to be looking here? -3 or +3? +3 because it's opposite. So if you see x minus 3, it's really x minus, and then a +3 is your h. Okay, and then you follow k. So what is my k value?
7.
Right, +7. And I'm going to be extra. I'm the teacher, so I'll put the positive signs. Right? Okay, so then what's my vertex? 3, 7. Your vertex is always the HK point. So vertex form is very student friendly. You guys do like it because you can see the H, you can see the K, so then it's very easy to graph. Okay, your axes of symmetry, I'll eventually label everything. You'll get a better view of it. Axes of symmetry is always the H value, and it's a vertical dashed line, which when I graph it, I'll graph it. So if my H value is 3, it's x equal 3. Don't just put a 3 there. It's x equal 3 because it is a vertical line. So it's going to be eventually a vertical line that goes up and down. Okay. Okay. Is your vertex, so listen, your max min point is your vertex. So whatever your vertex is, that's what you put here. So if my vertex is 3, 7, then I'm going to have, 3K, why did I put 3, 7? 3, 7. Okay, is it a max or min point? So look, if you have a parabola that's concave up, your vertex is always the turning point. All right, when we do a lot of these, it'll make more sense to you. That point, is it at the lowest or is it at the highest of this parabola? The lowest, and so it's a minimum point, minimum value. If it's ever concave up, it's a min, because this is where your vertex is, and so it's the lowest point. If it's concave down, it's now a maximum point. Okay, so what's the minimum value? It's always the k value, and so it's just 7. And once I graph it, I'll come back and I'll go through these again because you need the visual. Okay, what's the horizontal shift? What's the vertical shift? This is based off of your h value. This is based off of your k value. If my h is positive 3, that's a right shift. Kind of like if you think of slope, like right, left, up, down. My vertical shift, if it's positive 7, it is up 7. And so what that means is when you go to graph your vertex, your minimum value, your vertex from the origin is going to be right 3, up 7, and that's going to be the location of my vertex. Okay, how do you graph? Let me, it's going to be a super long video. Let me stop it here, and then let me start another video that's just graphing. So because otherwise it's going to be like a 15-minute video. Okay.